in today's video, I'm going to be opening TxT Thursday's Child album, the main one. I got this one because the bigger one, so it was like 32. So yeah. This is what's inside. So here. First one, we have this. I want to see what's in the poster. Oh, and by the way, here is my bias in TxT. So I want to get his photo card so bad. But let's see who I got on the poster. I think there's a Boomba. He looks so good. Anyway, here's the poster. I'm gonna put this on my wall, like right after this video. Hopefully, I do that. Anyway, this is the poster. I guess it's random. So I got Subin. Yeah, his name is Subin, and that's him. So let's see what we got inside. I guess Subin. Do they have a photo card in here? But I don't know. I got the tier version. It's random, guys. How do you open this? So guys, this is how it looks. The little, oh my god, it's so bad. And there's tier. Oh my god. And so it has Subin's name there. He's so handsome. Oh my god. Here's the track list of all the songs that are in the album. Here. And let me tell you guys here's the songs again. Let me tell you guys my favorite song. My favorite song out of all these songs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 songs. My favorite, like top favorite one is Opening Score. Like I love that song so much. I love it. And then my next one is Trust Fund Baby. And then Good Boy Gone Bad. And then the other one, Lonely Boy and Thursday. And Thursday's Child has 4 to go. And here we have the opening score lyrics. And here track 2, Good Boy Gone Bad lyrics. Trust Fund Baby, Lonely Boy. Okay, wait. We also have sticker. We have this. The first. I haven't seen the photo card, but here's the photo card. The end of the photo card. 1, 2, 3. Oh! like, please get my bias. Please get my bias. I got him! Oh my god. Anyway, here's the photo. Oh god. Anyway, here's the photo. He looks so good. The quality is so good, and you say TxT. Tomorrow X together. That's the meaning of it. Is that and oh shit? Wait, look, we have another sticker that says Subin on it. I don't know why I don't use sticker, but if I end up getting the plastic, I'll put this on it. I have another one with it. Subin. Why does it have a little? And this is just a photo. Okay. Oh my god, it looks so good. This is supposed to be a sad version of this album, but here. He looks so handsome. Looks so good. Oh my god. Do you see? He has all the songs in it. Yeah, so that's good. And that's gonna be all for today. Opening my first TxT album. I'm just getting to TxT, by the way. So yeah. For the last time. He's so handsome. Okay, that should be it for today. That's it for today, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I will see you in my next video. And this was me opening my first TxT mini album. I'm just gonna call it an album because I can't say that name right. Yeah.